travel the world, do foolishness, and it pays for all of us. Please put your hands together and help me welcome the hard-working comedians. Junction, make welcome to the stage to perform enough laughter. My boss, I'm a boss, I'm not the new work for. Man, you have to pick them up nice enough. Put your hands together and make welcome IT and IT. Over there, IT and up there, IT and yes sir, IT and clap them now.
Jackson Wagwan. On the line for seven. Me a tell us say, hey, me a last when me a come down here. I used to come here regular, you know. But them tell me say everything changed this year. You can remember we used to there say every single year.
I tell you.
I will place this.
I will yard this.
But me here say, boy, I can't believe say this show we used to keep you so nice. Me say this year them charge you. A true? Them charge you? And them okay. So all the people coming free make some noise. I'm like, some last I come down here, trust me, I forget the thing from my phone. If you give me direct. Hey, nowadays technology gone away that your phone can direct you know that? You can't put that thing on direct you know that? Everything changed now.
Imagine if your man that gave on the phone tell you, your lady is giving you bum.
That's serious. That is very serious.
The lady, they would love it enough because I am here. Your man is giving you bum. He's sleeping with your neighbor.
No problem that.
Yeah,
that couldn't work at all.
They added that mash up.
That's why I'm like Intown. I hear a grand market I keep the 24th, and when you come inside here, anything you get, you can get it. Anything you go inside and grand market, you're gonna get it.
Stop turning off the mic, man. I won't with her.
I said, on grand market there.
24th.
When you go inside of Intown, it's a special. Anything you take up, you go and get it. I'm never probably over here, sir. Them say anything you take up in there, you're gonna get it.
I won't say so.
It's like TG. But seriously though, you know what this fans can talk about phone thing.
Yeah.
You know what you can use a phone and shut down a car. Junction, a new thing I want to know, you know. At 2019, you know. 2019, everything changed. I want to tell you, say, normally when you're going to Intown, you buy mackerel, you buy candy, you buy bull beef. No mackerel change now, you know. When you go in, you have to say, can I get a wow? No, everything changed this year. All of a sudden, normally you buy mackerel and go and you have to go and say, wow, can I get a wow?
No, when they say wow, that I can't be. Yeah, candy and the wow, mackerel and the shake out.
You see, me never know what I want. But I tell you, say, everything changed.
And then you have the bully beef now.
Yes, bully beef.
Yes, that's selling the bully beef.
So that means if you go in and buy bully beef, oh yeah, boy.
You have to go in there and say, send there. And if them say, me not have that, when they say, alright, can I get a wow? They will say they will have candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have bully beef. You see?
So bully beef changed.
Yes, and
everything changed.
Internet do that to you. Internet do that to you. So anybody hungry and want a career, do something and put it on the internet.
No, hold on. What you say a while ago? I mean, I just say something more ugly.
No, I'm not talking about this answer.
Oh. Because we're not talking about ugly. No, my mother always said, takes one. I know one.
No, but me not ugly again.
No, me never. Did I say fancy get ugly? You will hear me say fancy get ugly?
Because I tell you something, man. When me see me say handsome, me know me look cute. Me and boy, me look so cute, me for the on the next $1,000 bill right now.
No, hold on.
Handsome now, nothing over me.
Wait, which part? Maybe you look cute. Which one?
I think me and boy, me used to
look past you.
No, me and boy, me used to ugly, you know. But me grew it out.
You grew it out?
Yeah, me grew. When you die to me, say, man, me look how my father used to style me. I call me live a live Alton and them thing there.
Yeah.
Me used to feel a weird. But since we get big and realize how much girl wants to suck off them liver lip, you know?
So hold on there.
Eh?
That means
Yeah.
right now with their junction.
Yeah.
Is you ladies looking on?
I tell them that. Me see him one. Me see him one.
Go on.
Alright, watch. Because we know when no man look for me, now watch it. You see that boy?
No, see now look for your cat.
Why?
No, she look for everybody.
Oh, her eye cross.
Yeah, so she not really a see.
But you see, I see a girl that's about me want eye to easy pickings, you know.
A junction?
Any girl right there, someone want me can get.
What? You can cook?
To me, a lyrics, man, time when it come to man, you know.
Where's the lyrics? Like how?
Like lyrics, a girl.
Like how?
Like
You text her, WhatsApp her?
no, man, but talk to her.
You talk?
You see how the brown lady was standing up there so right now. You see if I want her,
Yeah.
but just step to her. Can you see you can't run back at them?
Oh.
You never run back at woman. You
So
see me?
weird.
You have to step to her and then you can't. They look near me like you.
And she's smiling.
You saw she a blush.
Yeah.
And then you can't. They look on him. Come check me after the show. You see that boy?
I get her?
Come with that.
At a junction?
Why?
No, man, you make a big fancy cap. Junction ladies, when you talk to them and the lyrics them,
Yeah.
you can't sound so normal. You have to step nearer to them and make your voice start get deep like so. These ladies love deep voice, man. Yeah, man, and when your lyrics are like so. Baby.
It sound like you're asleep, man.
I say your voice get deep and then you do say, I'm a Sagittarian, you know? That means I'm part horse and part man. But you bring out the horse in me. Lyrics, I haven't done lyrics. 2019,
To be a time.
2019, everything
Like to
changed.
be a scorpion.
Yeah,
So
Scorpio.
me couldn't tell her some a half ass, a half idiot. Lyrics were different.
I never said that.
When me look for my girl, I'm a step on
I
the
never
car,
said
they steer down. I'm have to lyrics, I'm have to make sure that you have to lick.
When? Today? Your lyrics are
Yeah, but you see, listen now for build it up.
a bit. Speechless.
Listen, baby. Every time I look at you,
She's saying that on lyrics.
no, say that on lyrics. You're from build it up. Lyrics. Say you're from build it up, man.
All right.
Listen, baby. Financially, I'm a pauper. But it's when it comes to loving, I'm alright. And by the way, I see you drop something right there. Excuse me, I'm picking some of conversation. Let's pick it up after the show. You see that boy?
A lyrics are
Lyrics!
2019 now.
What up?
A WhatsApp at work. You have to have WhatsApp and thing. You have to learn if you send a WhatsApp. You have to learn something like, you know what LOL mean? Oh, no. What is BRB? Oh, bright, don't watch it. What is TTYL? What is SMH? What is IDK? Some catch on them, I know some don't know everything. I know some don't know everything. But I tell you, say everything. 2019, this is the year when they have passed that.
Let me a phone.
My phone?
Yeah. But just round this and pass a girl and be at this position.
What's she do?
I don't know.
Yeah?
Like say the phone, and instead of have a thing on the phone with that filter thing,
Yeah.
it make all ugly people look good. That's how. Wait there.
Wait there. Stop chat.
Stop.
Come get this for stop chat.
Why don't we keep on?
Oh, Snapchat.
Just over it. Some things that she think something about different thing now.
That's why I'm fancy cat. Now I'm telling you, everything changed.
Yes.
That's why I'm telling some people, all people who love God make some nice. Because I tell you, say God love me, so tell him change me completely. You know, say I glad change me, because I tell you something. You see this phone thing, it changed everything. If a phone can shut down a car now,
Yeah.
every time technology changes, can you imagine if them set up a phone we can shut down somebody? Like a wife can shut down her husband by a phone. I would have been trouble that for me. As I'm glad God changed me. You can't imagine when I come at junction and you tell your wife say they are junction and they are somewhere else and you find out say they are somewhere else, and they are party, a dance, I go on like a ninja, go put on for those, shut you down. You know, stuck in front of one. And that technology change.
Yeah, but you know what now? Gentleman and don't try compete with the ladies. Don't try, because it's a woman smarter than man.
All the smart ladies make some noise. You know, so when before time was smart, you know, some of the roll call. That's why
we need to find out over there.
If you're in the category, just say present.
If you're not, just say absent.
Just say absent. Smart ladies,
The
bright ladies, independent ladies, ladies in falls here.
I think.
You know, you know,
Mr. One girl and a white and Syria.
Somebody show the wig up here. When the owner of this wig make themselves
Make a seat, the IT.
If they're right beside the basket,
Make a seat.
it's right beside the basket.
Me know this.
Yes.
Me pass the ass down there so for this. The poor ass have no tail. He can't run fly. The poor.
No, sir.
See that yet? Me know that here.
No, sir.
The poor ass.
No, you realize them smart.
Yes.
Them fling the ear right beside the basket.
When the owner come for you.
So the owner come for the same time. But you're not listening to us.
Yes, let it go.
When you not buy the ear,
Yes.
I wanna have it in too long.
Too long.
It start touch you.
Stop.
The ear start hold you. The ear start grip you. Itch you. Scratch you. But in scratching like the regular scratch.
No.
Fancy cat.
Where did that come?
No, hold on there.
I want to no, listen what me know. Do you remember some of them a show a junction tonight?
Yeah.
Who cut me here.
But in
No, one the barber say $2 grand for cut the whole head.
so how much you give me?
Me don't have $1,000.
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, half price.
Yes, so give me half cut. When we get the dead stones, I'm gonna go back and finish it.
I finish stuff.
I kinda like it. It look good for me though. Well, see, if you're not comedian, not do it, it won't look good for you. Just like the
I
weed.
know, the one that come for the basket.
Me see the owner, man, the owner tell me there's some pop here. Say she have baby.
So baby.
The baby asleep.
Yes.
What they know if you use it, they see.
Yeah.
But you see, drinker people.
Yes.
Somehow the drinker man I get to myself in a trouble because of this phone.
Yes.
You hear what Butcher say? We not just phone, the thing we not like. Brand new Butcher, check it out. Because if you turn up at the crowd right now with your lady, and your phone ring, and there's another lady you call, what the first thing you do?
Call your pastor.
You look on it.
Oh, you mean like you never said it?
Yes,
No,
yes.
that man is stupid. I said I must have beat myself with it. Because man get phone call, right?
Yeah.
Let me side him girl.
Yeah.
Him say next girl, when him walk off.
You
You
yourself.
can't call me, no, you know.
Right there, so she knows the next girl I call you.
Because you walk off.
Because you walk out.
A lady now walk off.
No man not go nowhere.
She hug you up
She hug you up.
and answer the phone right beside
I
you.
said 3 little words.
What she said?
She said yes.
What did she say?
Yes.
What she said?
Alright.
And you hug her up and know what one because she said?
Yes.
Because she said?
Yes.
What she said?
Alright.
Lincoln, did you know if you could hear what happened on the other side of the phone call?
That's right.
Let us play it out now. Go play it.
Hello?
Yo, baby, your man there.
Yes.
Him there beside you.
Yes.
And me call it tomorrow.
Alright.
Smart ladies make some noise. Woman smarter than man.
Yes.
You understand?
You say I did. The brother that's shocking him I said, oh, senior.
You never know, you know. No, it's when you see him in
Yes.
that yellow shirt.
Yes.
He now get bun. No, big man, come and see, you now get bun.
And a wicked.
You get the whole bakery. Now come and see me know him.
Yes.
A bakery. Him done and a bakery. Chris Bulla. Look here, be careful of Bulla.
Yes.
Look here, just be careful of Bulla.
Be careful.
Anybody down there eat Bulla? Want to eat Bulla? What do you eat Bulla with? Cheese and Bulla and wagon. Beer and wagon.
The cute girl that said she eat bulla.
Yeah.
Poor Patrick, but think bulla was a ugly food.
No.
Eh?
No, but then eat Bulla down here.
Bro, then you eat bulla? Where you eat it with? Here, poor Patrick.
You know, so they can't eat Bulla and Bulla.
Yeah.
Just wet it.
You can't eat bulla and water.
Bulla and ripe banana.
Bulla and drink.
But it's the we Jamaicans, we eat Bulla.
We love a bulla.
Not everybody eat Bulla. We never know till we travel the country and go to some Caribbean island.
Yes.
We went to Trinidad,
Yes.
went to Barbados,
Yes.
and we were telling them that Jamaicans, we love Bulla. We were shocked when we said that only the men jump up. They said, "Whoa!" So we were shocked because we didn't know that while in Jamaica, Bulla is a cake.
Yes.
In Barbados, Bulla means homosexual. Yes, so we were shocked when we said it. All the men came at the side of the stage waiting on IT and Fancy Cat. They said they love us. 50 men at the side of the stage. One of them couldn't wait. He came on the stage and pushed me, IT, out the way. He said, excuse me. Yeah, kitty. I like the fat one. Yes, people in Babylon, I realized that it's not IT life. So I take away myself fast and leave. And cat still up there. Keep on on the cat.
Eh?
Even though you remain on stage.
Yeah.
I don't know where to tell the brother, but him get so upset. I see him say, excuse me, and him leave. Where the junction now? Where they tell him? Say, come on now.
Listen, I did. Make me tell you something.
What they tell him?
You see, if you never know if you tell like my Jamaican woman them, me that still there Barbados.
What you tell him?
Me
Say,
make sure look at them and say, listen, my boss man. You see me a one boy, me. I don't cheat.
no, hold on. Remember, say he saw me and you on the stage. You know you have the entire Barbados a thing now. You tell the man say you're not there.
Come on, honest, stop behaving like that.
Make some noise for IT and Fancy Cat. Give them a round of applause again. Show the world tonight. Come here, boy. Come play basket. Good. Give them another round of applause, please. Comedy is a nice thing. When you go, you feel laugh. It no matter if you hold quotes. When you go, you laugh. No matter what by yard, you just laugh. And forget it. So tonight, just enjoy yourself. Wait, boy. Swallow where you eat. Swallow, Justin. Swallow. What is it in the mouth? You related to the lady when they stand up there, sir? Are you auntie?
No.
Where's she there? Where Miss String gone? Job on a hot her man, she had to leave. What is this, boy?
Ali.
This alone? Then this can cover somebody's head? Try your missy. Come, you're gonna get the price. Try your boy. Try your. Then house man, you wear this. Huh? Yes, what you want to when you grow up, boy?
A teacher.
So come with something else, man.
Police.
Huh?
Police.
Police, very good. Police. God bless the boy. Police, you say. Come on, sir. Police in big. Hold on. Salute! Salute! As you were. Forward, march. Hold, stop. At this, final charge before dismiss. Final charge before dismiss. Why you sit? So you left a basket. You're a brilliant boy. You're a brilliant boy. 5 plus 5.
5 plus 5, 10.
Take out your bubble gum, you don't talk well. Spit it out. You're going to go places. 5 plus 5.
10.
Nice. Put your hands together for it. That boy, you know figures. And you have be Minister of Finance. And it tip point on 10. 9 plus 1.
10.
Nah, yeah, very good. 8 plus 2.
10.
6 plus 4.
10.
7 plus 3.
10.
How much big toe you have?
2.
That's right. Very good, very good. Focus is the key. Focus is the key, boy. Focus is the key. Very good. So you remember where you're coming from?
Yeah.
Which school you go, boy?
Balance Valley.
Balance Valley. Who is the past president of Jamaica? Past president. Listen to the question. Huh? No, man, you're wrong. Dodos. Deep put on this in the America now. Jump down. Jump down and go. Little girl, if you tell me one of the sponsor, you get a prize. What's your have husband? Where you drop down for? And miss, if you tell me one of the sponsor, you get a prize. Come now. Come. Don't call no Yasi. No call Grace.
Wesinko.
Nice. Use the word Wesinko in a sentence.
Wesinko is a sponsor for in-town supermarket event tonight.
Put it together now. Come, stand up in a neutral. Don't reverse again. Neutral or present. No more. Come now. Give me the word in a sentence.
Wesinko is a sponsor of in-town super center events tonight.
Nice. Who your name?
Janice Paten.
What?
What's her name? Janice Paten.
Patel. Miss Patel. That's a nice name that you know. Like my friend would say, you know when ladies get pregnant in China, you know when they pick the name? No, when ladies get pregnant in China, different way they give them. Them give the pin them name. The mothers when them in the kitchen do anything, and if the pot cover drop, any sound they make, and then the name pick again. Pingeling! Getting! I said you come from China, take this thing. Ready for the next artist now, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for all the acts that pass. Put your hands together for Bossy Boy Fly. Me want you clap everybody. If I'm gonna, we're gonna. Put your hands together for Bossy Boy Fly. Mr. Handsome and Zazan. Put your hands together for IT and Fancy Cat. Put your hands together for Sister Pat. So we have 2 left. Who you want to see now? 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 Who? Happy nice. Me call